The history of ancient Egypt is divided up into three main periods: the Old, Middle, and New Kingdoms. First, the pre-dynastic kingdoms of Upper and Lower Egypt were united into the Old Kingdom, which was ruled over by a pharaoh and built the pyramids. They started fighting with themselves and had a nasty breakup, before reuniting and becoming the Middle Kingdom. The Hyksos from the Middle East moved in and took over most of the place. They had cool weapons. They got kicked out by the New Kingdom that used these cool weapons to conquer a big empire. They made some enemies, then some friends, and had a nice Bronze Age.
Nobody expects to see people!
Their friends died, people cried, and the Bronze Age collapsed. Egypt survived. Then Libyans, Nubians, Assyrians, and Persians moved in and called the shots. Alexander came and died, and his general Ptolemy took the prize. His descendants adopted local culture and ruled for hundreds of years. The last one of them, Cleopatra, that liked a couple Roman guys. Then one she did not like came along and put an end to native rule. And now perhaps you know something you did not a minute ago.